Welcome to a brief presentation of using the TIMS DICOM system for recording modified barium swallow studies. The first part of this presentation will take a look at how TIMS compares to other recording solutions, an overview of the TIMS system itself, and then we'll take a look at some of the flexible workflow options TIMS provides. The second part of the presentation is an actual demonstration of the TIMS system itself and its capabilities. If you're watching this presentation, it's likely that you want to overcome some limitations of your existing workflow. If you're currently using DVD to record your MBS studies, you're probably already aware that these are low-resolution devices and only capture about 1/4 of the image detail coming from the fluoroscope. Along with being cumbersome to use in the procedure room itself, archiving and then retrieving recorded studies can be a tedious process. DVDs also represent a significant HIPAA risk for the hospital if they're lost, destroyed, or removed from the facility. Using the fluoroscope alone to record MBS studies presents its own set of challenges. Although they can fluoro the patient at 30 frames per second, fluoroscopes can only record at about 10 to 15 frames per second in DICOM. Fluoroscopes are also only designed to record about 10 seconds of DICOM video per run. The rest is lost forever. Most speech pathologists find it very useful to be able to verbally annotate the study as it's being performed. Fluoroscopes can't record these verbal annotations. After the study's been recorded, the fluoroscope is needlessly tied up as it takes its time sending the study to PACS. Other recording solutions on the market are typically also low resolution and often don't allow you to send the studies directly to PACS. The TIMS system overcomes all of these limitations. TIMS records at the native resolution of the fluoroscope, typically over 1,000 by 1,000 pixels. TIMS also records at 30 frames per second, which is recommended by the ASHA professional organization. TIMS includes synchronized audio so that you can verbally annotate the study as it's being performed. Because TIMS triggers automatically along with a fluoroscope, the speech pathologists are free to work directly with the patients throughout the procedure. Included with each TIMS system are modern tools for clinically reviewing and analyzing the studies. After the studies are recorded, they can be sent directly to your hospital PACS system where they're safely backed up and encrypted. Each TIMS system includes a copy of our TIMS DICOM review software, which can be installed on a workstation, typically in the speech office, which streamlines the workflow significantly. We'll cover that more in a moment. Because TIMS is a certified medical device, it can be used pretty much anywhere in the hospital, and your IT department will appreciate that it's already running Windows 7 Professional. And although we're typically helping hospitals migrate away from DVD, the built-in DVD drive does allow you to burn a copy of a study for an outpatient that needs to bring it back with them to the referring physician or therapist. TIMS is available either in a stationary configuration or on a mobile cart. The mobile cart allows it to be wheeled up right next to you during the procedure so that you can interact with it during the study if you'd like to. Now that you've had a chance to learn a little bit about TIMS recording capabilities, let's take a look at how it impacts your workflow in a positive way as well. In this image, we have a TIMS system connected to a fluoroscope in a procedure room. It's also connected to your hospital network, as well as your hospital PACS and your DICOM modality worklist server. In its most basic workflow, you can fluoro the patient. The TIMS system will record the study. You can review the study right here on the TIMS system in the procedure room, edit the study if you'd like, review, do patient education, and then send the study directly from the procedure room onto PACS. However, typically that means that you're tying up the procedure room during that process. Alternatively, each TIMS system includes a copy of our TIMS DICOM review software, which can be installed in a desktop or laptop computer back in the speech office. This provides us with a more efficient workflow that we'll take a look at now. This time we'll fluoro the patient, use the TIMS system in the procedure room to just record the study, then immediately send the study over the hospital network to the TIMS DICOM review workstation back in the speech office. From your TDRS workstation, you can review the study with its audio, make any necessary edits, and then send the study on to PACS where it will be backed up and then attached to the patient record. This provides you with a much more flexible and efficient workflow. Let's take a look now at the TIMS DICOM review software in action. The TIMS system features an easy-to-use icon-based interface. Initiating a new study is as easy as the click of a button. Patient information is entered automatically through use of your DICOM modality worklist server. This eliminates keying errors to ensure data accuracy. The TIMS system is configured to trigger automatically along with the fluoroscope to provide hands-free operation. TIMS will also record synchronized audio along with the video so that you can verbally annotate the study as it's being performed. If at any time during the study you wish to review a video clip that's already been recorded, you can pause the study to consult with the radiologist or the patient and then pick the study back up where you left off. After the study's been recorded, you can label each one of the video clips with the consistency given the patient. This information is then stored with the study when it's sent to PACS. Additionally, video clips can be trimmed to remove video that's deemed unnecessary. In this example, all the video prior to the swallow and then the video after the swallow are being removed, and the resulting video is being highlighted in green afterwards to show you what will be saved. This reduces the size of the study and makes it more concise overall. After any desired edits have been completed, the study is now ready to be sent off to either your hospital PACS or to a TIMS DICOM review workstation for further review. After it's been sent, the TIMS is immediately available to record another study. It's also important to note that you can optionally send only the clinically relevant runs to PACS, further reducing the size of the study. The advanced viewer is the ideal tool for clinically reviewing the studies after they've been recorded. Here you can adjust magnification and playback frame rate so that you can review the studies in detail, playing them in a loop both forwards and backwards. If the exposure wasn't perfect from the fluoroscope, you can also adjust brightness and contrast so that certain anatomy will pop out of the picture more clearly. The advanced viewer also has the ability to time swallowing events down to the thousandth of a second. Included as part of the advanced viewer are a series of telestration tools that allow you to draw directly on the video and then play the video back as the telestrations remain. These are ideal for providing patient education or for consulting with other staff members within the hospital. Lastly, the TIMS system allows you to open two studies that were recorded at different dates side by side for comparative review. Of course, TIMS can do much more, including exporting video clips in .avi format for use in presentations, recording audio comments of your observations either during or after a study. Along with archiving studies to PACS, you can also optionally archive studies to a network drive, and TIMS offers a fully customizable workflow to meet the needs of your hospital. The TIMS Medical Sales Department would be happy to provide a more comprehensive web-based demonstration for you and your staff, customized for your hospital. Please feel free to contact us at the phone number or email below. Thanks for watching.